Hi there everyone, how you doing? My name is Sponito and welcome back to Sponito's Saturday. So this is the second episode of this Saturday and you might be noticing that I am wearing long sleeves in this summer heat with such high temperature. That's because I'm crazy. So first of all I want to apologize for not making these Saturday videos for like 3 weeks. And I promise every one of you that I'll be consistent in making these kinds of video and I'll do this every week as long as possible. So many of you might be noticing that I did not post a lot of videos in the past 1 or 2 weeks. That's because I was feeling very low. I was not very happy with the content that I produced. I did not produce the things that made me happy. So the motto of my channel has always been to make every one of you happy, smile, to bring a smile on your face and to make you laugh. And I also wanted to, from the beginning, to connect with every one of you so that you guys can also expect some things from me and I also can know what the response will be from you guys. And I think that if I am not happy in doing one kind of a content or one kind of a thing, then I won't be able to make you guys happy. So I decided not to make random videos and just waste all of you guys' time, because I really value your time and the support that you have given to me till now. That it really means a lot to me. I have said it from day one. And from the past few days, suddenly after I posted one of the videos, I felt very nice. I thought that I am doing thing. I felt very happy after posting one of the videos, and I think that if my mindset is very clear and I am very happy, then I'll be able to produce good content. And I also felt that I am made to do this, and I got very happy and I got inspired. The only thing that I want is the support and love from you guys. I am not forcing or anything like that. And as I said in the first Saturday videos, that the subscribers don't matter to me. It's not like that I am not grateful for that. I am really very grateful because there's always a person behind that subscriber count. But the good comments that some of you leave on every video of mine makes lightens up my mood and inspires me to do things and makes me think that I am capable of doing things. It motivates me to move forward. And I also want to say that because of this YouTube and the support that you guys have given me, my confidence has boosted up a little bit. I have started to be productive, and I am doing things that I had been wanting to do for a very 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 long time, and I am starting to generate or build up some good habits that have been helping me and will help me in the long run. So I want to thank every one of you for that, because I have said this many times, and I will say this, and this will remain constant. The only thing that matters to me and that I want out of this whole YouTube thing is support and love from you guys, and every one of you has been giving me that. So I want to say thank you to everyone of. So that will be it from this video. As you know, these videos are very short and I like making every one of this. I hope every one of you liked this and understood what I felt and what I wanted to say. I will be making content every day from today, because I have become very motivated and inspired after few videos, and I hope every one of you enjoyed. Share it with people that might like it, and subscribe to my channel if you like my content. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Hope you have a great day.